Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Motorola E7 Power with a broken display, and David is here now to fix it for us. So let's get to it. So first off, we're gonna shut it down properly and then remove the SIM card tray, which is kind of hard with this very short SIM card ejector tool, but we managed to do it with another one. And we're gonna put that to the side and slowly pry the display off the back cover. So all the electronics are behind the display, so it's attached to that middle housing, and you just don't yank it out because the fingerprint scanner flex cable is attached to the main board. So we have to remove the shroud first, remove all the screws, put it to the side, and then detach the flex cable. You don't want to damage that because it's for the fingerprint that unlocks your smartphone. It's pretty hard to repair. We have this replacement display. We're gonna attach this directly to the board just to save more time, see if it's working at this point, because there's no point in disassembling the device that doesn't really need a new display but some other parts entirely. So right here we can see that there's an M logo for Motorola. It's not a W, it's just inverted. And now we're gonna try to unlock the device. It's unlocked, and now we're gonna shut it down and proceed to the disassembly process. We're gonna detach this flex cable for the replacement board and unscrew the screws for the daughter board. It's also covered. And then we're gonna detach the flex cable to the daughter board and then remove the battery by prying it from the right side. Either side will be good, but you have to be very careful not to fold this. There's a bit of warp. That's okay for lithium batteries, but you don't want to puncture or damage the battery cell itself. It's gonna explode, believe me. We're gonna remove the main flex cable from the display. There's two flex cables that are going out from the display to the daughter board and the main board. We can see that after we remove this. So we're gonna slowly pry through the adhesives. It's not really a very strong adhesive. This being a very budget device, adhesives are not our main issue. Now you can see that we have prepped the housing itself. We have put some fresh liquid glue so that the replacement display can be reattached snug without any gaps on the sides. By the way, it's not gonna guarantee that this is gonna provide water resistance to your Motorola E7 Power, but it's gonna be good for retaining the new display and making your device useful again. So we're gonna route the main flex cable and the secondary flex cable to these slots on the housing. So it's gonna go through that and be routed to the back. And then we're gonna position it and then fit it nicely. Make sure the camera is not obstructed by dust or anything. So David is now working at a very clean state now, since we're gonna reassemble everything. We have attached the battery. Now we're gonna cover the main board and the daughter board. So we're just gonna reverse everything that we have done a while ago. And then final testing to see if this Motorola E7 Power is gonna be ready for the client. And it's working. So if you have any problems with your device, even if it's just a mid-range or brand budget smartphone, it's not really hard to find repair centers that can fix them for you. If you need a new battery or if you need a new screen, you can message us directly, or you can go to a local repair service center and ask for help if they have the parts that you need, if they can fix your issues with the device that you have. That's David there. You can ask us directly through the comments down below. You can also message us through Messenger, or you can find us on Google Maps or Google. We have a lot of positive reviews on the daily repairs that we do here in the shop. And if you can't make it to our shop, you can also send in your broken smartphone through mail, and we fix it here. And then once we are done fixing it, we will just return it to you through mail also. So right now we're just gonna close this Motorola E7 Power that has been fixed. SIM card tray going back in, no problem. And then we're just gonna clean it up and final testing, and it's gonna be good to go. So we here in the Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we advocate that you fix your device rather than buying something new. And if you can salvage your existing device and make it work for another 2 years, that would be good for the environment. And of course, it's gonna be good to your wallet if you're not really keen on upgrading or buying something new. If you have your data as well, if you want to salvage your data from a broken device, that would be amazing to do or to have. And this is gonna be good for now. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time with David. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.